everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm gonna show you how we are going to make perfect crochet cord. Let me show you closely like this. I will use these for small bags. I will use these as the hang of small bags. I made this kind of small bags like this, and I will use these as the hang. I will sew up like this as a hang at these small bags. You can also use these cords in many purposes, dear friends, as laces for your crochet garments, or in different things you can imagine. You can use these cords. Let me show you closely. It really looks beautiful. It is like a triangle shape. It has a triangle shape, dear friends, like this. Let me show the other color. It is like this. And it's very easy to make this. For this project we need some cotton yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. I will make about 90 centimeters, dear friends. First of all, when you start, before you start this project, first of all you have to decide how many centimeters of cord you need. For example, if you need a cord 20 centimeters, then you have to leave plus 3, I mean 60 centimeters. If you are going to make 20 centimeters of cord, dear friends, you have to leave at the back 60 centimeters. For example, I will make 90 centimeters. This is about 90 centimeter, dear friends. I am measuring this like this. Yes, it is the other side. This yarn is 90 centimeters. I need 90 centimeters of cord. For this reason, I have to leave at back about 90 centimeter plus 3. It's about 270 centimeters. For this reason, I am folding it like this. This side is 90. This is also 90. I will fold it once again because it should plus 3. Like this. Yes. This is 90. This is also 90. This is the 90, and it is all of the measurement of this yarn. It is about 270 centimeters. I am leaving this at my right side. I am leaving this at the left side. I am taking my yarn in my hand. This is the ball side. I am taking yarn in my hand. First of all, making a knot. Yes, I made a knot. After making knot, you know, this is the yarn that we leave at the left side. I am making yarn over, and then yarn over again with the yarn, and making pull through. From now on, we will always repeat this. We are going to make yarn over with the yarn that we separated, and yarn over again, making a single stitch like this, yarn over, making a single stitch. We are always going to make yarn over with the yarn end that we separated and that we put on the right side, dear friends, like this. always, we are going to do the same thing. We will go on like this, dear friends. It is always going on like this, dear friends. As long as you need, you are going on crocheting like this. Let me show you. It's been like this, as you see. It's like a triangle shape. This side, and the other side. It is really nice, dear friends. I like using this cord for my crochet creations. Okay, you are making the cord as long as you need, dear friends. It's all what you need. Yes, dear friends, I made 90 centimeters cord, like it's been like this. I finished. Now I will cut the yarn. I will show you how I am going to make it. I am making one chain, and here I am cutting the yarn. And at the other side, some yarn remained. You will remember we separated 270 centimeters for 90 centimeters of cord. Just some yarn remain. It's no important. You can just cut it as well. This one. It is no matter if some yarn remains like this. But if it is becomes short, then it is the problem, because you cannot go on crocheting if this is short. For this reason, we are leaving this yarn longer than the dimension of the cord that we want to crochet. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you enjoyed this project. Hope you are going to make beautiful crochet cords from now on. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much, dear friends. See you in the coming videos.